Hey guys, this is Bill with Grasp. Got a little call out to Michigan area paranormal teams. You can be in the area of Michigan if you want. You want to travel a little bit. But we've got a really cool event coming up in June 5th, 6th, and 7th in the city of Manistee, Michigan on the SS City of Milwaukee, a retired ferry, and we're holding a paranormal summit. We want to get paranormal groups together. Come out here for the weekend so we can discuss the fate, or I shouldn't say the fate, we can discuss the future of paranormal investigation. We want to learn from everybody else. We want everybody to get together and let's all start working together and discussing how to investigate, learning from other teams and helping other teams out, all that kind of cool stuff. Plus, there's going to be an investigation of this very active old ship. It's a weekend event. You can buy a one night for the investigation. You can come on Friday and stay for the whole weekend. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be educational. And it's also going to build better paranormal group relations. That's what we're looking for. We're looking to get everybody together. We're looking to find better ways to get better evidence. And we need your help in doing it. So check out our website, grasp.org, graspp.org, or you can find us on Facebook at Grasp Paranormal Investigations. Check us out, give us a call, buy your tickets, come join us, man. It's going to be a great weekend.